Hello everyone, today we're going to show you Oliver's Romeo costume. Oh my goodness, look at those eyes, and these eyes are quite special. Oh, those eyes underneath are better. So I got this just from a shop because it actually had something on top of it like a beer can or something silly, but I took it off. So these are cool, you can open them and close them with the string. No, it's not. Oh, well, there you go. And if you look through them, they look quite interesting. Let's have a look through them. See if we can see any PJ Masks in there. PJ Masks, where are you? Oh, there's a gun. There they are. Well, they're through there somewhere. Yep, there they are. I see them. So what I did was I got a chef's coat as part of a cooking set because all of these crafty Romeo videos, I couldn't do it. So to do a Romeo costume without making stuff, you buy gloves. So these are from the garden centre, green and black gloves. So you can get kid size, any size kind of green gloves. Not any size, any type of green gloves. Any gun that looks a little bit futuristic. There you go. You can use just actually a pair of glasses would do, any pair of glasses. And a chef's coat will get you a lab coat because people don't sell kids lab coats. Now, Mr. Romeo is going to defeat the PJ Masks. Defeat them, defeat them. Defeat them, Romeo. His gun shoots super cold, freeze ray, water. Owlet doesn't even look phased. Owlet, are you wet? Huh? Is she wet? Owlet the wet. And this is Oliver's very, very cool Romeo toy. Push the button, Oliver. Oh, blah, blah. Oliver's very cool Romeo toy. Push the Romeo toy. I'm going to push the Romeo toy. I love this Romeo toy. So this is the Romeo that talks. So you can push it.
All of them?
Yep, shoot all of them. Get those PJ Masks. Romeo.
But the button does not.
Do you have to lift it upright, that wood again? That does sound like me. Does it sound like you? Ollie, will you say the Romeo phrases?
I might need to tip this on the PJ Masks.
Tip it on. No! Okay, tip it on the PJ Masks.
Can you open this? Can you open this?
That's all the ones he says. All right, I'm going to open this water gun because the PJ Masks are not getting wet enough. Oh, I can't open it while I'm holding it. Hold this tight. Hold it tight. Okay, I'm turning. I'm turning. I'm turning. Come on, water gun. I don't want to get wet. Okay, let's wet the PJ Masks. Okay, Romeo, we are going to get those PJ Masks. All right, do it. PJ Masks, you better watch out. Oh! Well, save Romeo, save Romeo, save... PJ Masks, it's the PJ Masks. They're very wet. They're wet PJ Masks. And Romeo wins the day. Hooray! Bye, Romeo. Thanks for showing us your costume.